Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to send money from PayPal to Cash App. While direct transfers aren't an option, there's a straightforward two-step method using your linked bank account. First, you'll move your funds from PayPal to your bank. Then, from that same bank account, you'll easily transfer the money into your Cash App. It's a simple workaround that ensures your money gets where it needs to go efficiently. For the first step, open your PayPal app or website and find the Transfer Money section. Choose to send funds to your linked bank account. Standard transfers are free and usually arrive within 1 to 3 business days. If you need the money faster, an instant transfer is available for a small fee, typically 1% of the amount, with a maximum fee of $10. This gets your money to your bank in minutes. Once your money is in your bank account, open your Cash App. Tap on the Banking or Money tab, then select Add Cash. Choose your linked bank account as the source for the funds. Enter the exact amount you want to move. Most transfers from your bank to Cash App are instant, meaning your money will be available for use within moments. It's a quick and seamless final step. To ensure a smooth process, always double-check that your bank account is accurately linked to both your PayPal and Cash App accounts. Carefully review all transfer amounts before confirming to avoid any errors. Remember, instant transfers from PayPal to your bank may incur a small fee, typically 1%. This two-step approach, using your bank as an intermediary, is the most effective and only reliable method for moving your money between these two platforms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.